guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because it is my father-in-law that will be sharing his recipe with you guys. I am only going to do the voiceover for him, but it is his recipe, so I wanted to share with you. If you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you do try it, please let me know down below. I love to hear when you guys tell me that you're going to try it or you did try it. So let's get into the video. So for this recipe, you're going to need lemon, parsley, olive oil, salt, garlic, and a mason jar. So for your first step, you're going to scrape the whole pork shoulder or pernil, and then once you're done, you're going to rinse it. So now grab all your lemons and roll them and cut them in half. The reason why you want to roll them is to get as much juice as possible. So in advance, I'm sorry for this part, but we don't really tell you guys the measurements that you need, but you're going to need almost all your ingredients. You're going to need your olive oil, put it in the mason jar, then put salt. You're going to need to put black pepper, which I forgot to tell you in the beginning, and then you're going to squeeze all those lemons in there. So once you're finished adding all your ingredients, you just mix, and this is how it should look like. Now grab 2 garlic heads and smash the garlic cloves and add them to your mixture. After that, you're going to mix the mixture up and let it sit for maybe an hour or two so it can marinate. Grab another garlic head and get the cloves and cut them into little pieces like so. So now grab your pork shoulder, and you're going to make all these little cuts like you see on the video and do it all over. So now you get the little garlic cloves that you just cut and you put them inside of those holes. So now grab your marinade in a spoon, and you're going to grab a spoonful of the marinade and put it inside of all the holes. So I keep forgetting to tell you guys about other ingredients that he adds throughout the night. So right now he's adding Himalayan salt. I hope that I'm saying that correctly. And he's also adding lemon zest. So now he adds a little bit of steak seasoning. Not a lot, you just want to sprinkle it just a little bit. So now grab your mason jar with your marinade, just put a top on it and put it in your refrigerator for the next day. And you're going to use this as your dressing for the pernil. My family loves to use that dressing or marinade for literally everything. My husband uses it on top of his pernil, rice, and macaroni salad. He will put it anywhere. So if you don't like too much garlic, be very careful with this dressing because it is very garlicky. So before you ruin your plate, just add a little bit and see how you like the taste. So now how to cook your pernil. You're going to flip it over to show the skin. You're going to cover it up with aluminum foil. Put your oven at 350 degrees and cook it for 2.5 hours. After the 2.5 hours, you're going to uncover it, put your oven at 400 degrees, and let it cook again for another hour and 20 minutes. That is how you get the crunchy skin that everyone likes. And that's it. That's how you make pernil. So how we prepare it for a family to enjoy, we cut up the skin first. Cut it up in pieces, so if they want to enjoy a piece of crunchy goodness, they can. And then we shred it up, and that's it. So I hope that you guys like this video. If you do, please comment down below. If you try it, let me know. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I see you again. Bye.
Got my helping. Why don't you jump in and be like,
because that looks crazy.
That's fine.
I guess. Gee.
I gotta get this little guy out of here because
So cute.
I don't want fame, I just want love. I don't want fame, I just want trust. Why they all trying to knock me down? They should all know I'ma stay up. Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gonna fade.